Together we explain the Prime Minister Narendra Modi scheme. Thank you. Next, introduction by our public. Namaste. I am going to give introduction about Mr. Narendra Modi. Mr. Narendra Modi was our 14th Prime Minister of India. He is the former Chief Minister of Gujarat. He implemented many welfare schemes to Gujarat. So, in the Parliament election of 2014, we elected him as our Prime Minister. Initially, after he became the Prime Minister of our nation, he implemented the laws towards for people from Jan Dhan Yojana to demonetization. He considered most of the books. Let's see some things implemented by Mr. Narendra Modi. Our Prime Minister has introduced many welfare schemes for us. We have only taken 7 schemes to inform you. Thank you. Next, my friends are going to explain about Swachh Bharat Abhiyan. Namaste ji, welcome to our project Swachh Bharat Abhiyan. I would like to say about Swachh Bharat Abhiyan. Swachh Bharat Abhiyan is a campaign by the government of India covering 4,041 statutory cities and towns to clean the street, roads and infrastructure of the country. Data provided by municipal bodies will carry 900 marks. Data collected through direct observation and independent assessment will carry 500 marks. And citizen feedbacks will carry 600 marks. Thank you. Next, Janani will give some information about Swachh Bharat Abhiyan. Namaste ji. The plan is to provide toilet and sanitation facilities in all rural and remote areas to create public awareness of cleanliness, to clean roads, streets, encroachments and make India one of the cleanest country of the world. It evaluated in the areas of waste collection, sweeping and transportation 40% marks. Offered education, free and toilet 30%. Municipal solid waste substitute and information and e-learning portal 5% each. Thank you. Next, we will continue about this. Namaste ji. The campaign was obviously launched on 2nd October 2014 at Rajghat, New Delhi by Prime Minister Narendra Modi. It is India's biggest ever cleanliness drive with 3 million government employees and school and college students of all Indian participating in the campaign. Thank you. Next, my friend Anand will explain about Swachh Bharat Abhiyan. Namaste ji. The Union Ministry of Urban Development launched Swachh Sarvekshan 2017 to rank 500 cities by towns across the country on cleanliness with a population of 1 lakh and above. Thank you. Have a nice day. Thank you, friends, for giving more information about Swachh Bharat Abhiyan. Next, Srividya's group will explain about Sansad Adarsh Gram Yojana.
Namaste ji, welcome to Project Sansad Adarsh Gram Yojana. Sansad Adarsh Gram Yojana is rural development program body focusing upon the development in the villages, which include social development, agricultural development. Fundings, no funds are allocated to this Yojana. Funds may be raised from existing schemes such as the Indira Awas Yojana, Pradhan Mantri Gram Sansad Yojana, Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Scheme and Backward Region Grant Funds. The number of government local self-development scheme, the Panchayat's own revenue, Central and State Finance Commission, grants and corporate social responsibility funds. Thank you, Miss. You will continue.
Namaste. The program was launched by the Prime Minister of India, Narendra Modi, on the birth anniversary of Jayaprakash Narayan on 11th October 2014. This committee is headed by Chief Secretary. Implement central guidance for the scheme. Review implementation. Review village development plans. Thank you. Next, Shri will continue.
Namaste ji, I am going to talk about Sansad Adarsh Gram Yojana. Sansad Adarsh Gram Yojana was initiated to bring the member of the parliament of all the political parties under the same umbrella while taking the responsibility infrastructure in villages and turn them into modern villages. Under this scheme, each member of parliament needs to choose one village each from the constituency that they represent, expect their own village or their in-laws village and make it a modern village by 2016. Thereafter, they can take on 2 or 3 more villages and do the same by the time the next general election come along in 2019. Thereafter, set themselves 10 years long village or rural improvement projects. Villages will be offered smart schools, universal access to basic health facilities and buka housing to homeless villages. Thank you, Ji. Next she will continue.
Namaste ji. The development of modern villages got on this track through the implementation of existing schemes and certain new initiatives to be designed for the local context, which may
implementation of the scheme. Issue operational guidelines. Thank you. Next, we will continue.
Namaste, the member of parliament identify the slum, facilitate the planning process, monitor the scheme. Under the scheme, Narendra Modi has adopted Jaipur village is constituency, Varanasi in Uttar Pradesh. Thank you. Have a excellent day.
Thank you friends for giving more information about Sansad Adarsh Gram Yojana. Next, my group will explain about Jan Dhan Yojana. Welcome to our project Jan Dhan Yojana. The Pradhan Mantri Jan Dhan Yojana is the NDA government's premier financial inclusion scheme. Under the Pradhan Mantri Jan Dhan Yojana, the government aims to provide basic financial services such as bank accounts and debit cards to all the citizens of India. Thank you. Next, my brother will continue.
Namaste. All accounts open under the Prime Minister Jan Dhan Yojana will be a zero balance account and shall be linked to rupee debit cards. According to the scheme, more card facilities may only be provided to other colleagues' accounts, but if this is requested, it falls the very need of a bank account without identification number. Thank you, Mr. President.
Namaste ji. For opening this account, we need to provide photograph and a signature and thumb impression specimen. The account holder are provided a free accident insurance rupees 1 lakh as well. Thank you. Next speaker.
Namaste. In a bank account open under the scheme, the total deposit must not exceed rupees 1 lakh in a year. The total withdrawals may not be over rupees 10,000 a month, and the account balance should not exceed rupees 50,000. Banks are concerned that multiple accounts may be opened up by the same individual in various funds, and thus an account holder may be able to available of multiple insurance policies due to the lack of valid documentation. Thank you. Next, we will continue. According to the expert, offers like zero balance, free insurance, and overdraft facilities but result in duplication. Many individuals who already have bank accounts may have had accounts created for themselves used by the insurance covers and overdraft facilities. As per the scheme, a very few people are eligible to get a life insurance worth 30,000 with a validity of just 5 years. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Thank you, brothers and sisters, about your information, Jan Dhan Yojana. Next, Kavya's group will explain about Digital India.
Namaste ji, welcome to Digital India group. First, I would like to explain about Digital India. Digital India was launched by Prime Minister of India Narendra Modi on 1st July 2015 with an objective of connecting rural areas with high speed of internet networks and improving digital literacy. Out of 10% English speaking Indians, only 2% reside in rural areas. Rest everyone depends on their vernacular language for living their lives. However, an email address can be created only in English language. To connect rural India with Digital India, Government of India implemented to provide email service in their registrational language. Digital Locker facilities will help the citizen to store their important documents like PAN card, passport, degree certificate, and mark sheet. Thank you. Next, we will continue.
Namaste ji, I am going to explain about Digital India. Digital India consists of 3 core components, including the creation of digital literacy, e-sign framework allows to citizens to sign a document online using Aadhaar identification. Next, we will continue. The Government of India entity Bharat Broadband Network Limited Executed. The National Optical Fiber Network Project will be the custodian of Digital India. DI project BBNL had ordered Unit India Limited to connect 250,000 villages to GPOS to ensure FTTH based broadband. This will be the first basic step up to achieve towards Digital India and is expected to be completed by 2017. Pillars. The government aims to target 9 pillars of Digital India that can be identified as being universal access to internet, public internet access programs, e-government, reforming government to technology, information for all, ID for jobs, e-hospital. E-hospital application points information services such as online registration, payment of fees and appointment, online dietary report, availability of blood online, etc. Thank you.
Namaste ji. Digital literacy mission will cover 6 rural households. It is planned to connect 550 farmers markets in the country through the use of technology. Some of the facilities which will be provided through this intensive digital locker, e-education, e-health, e-sign and national scholarship portal. Thank you. Next, she will continue.
Namaste. I am going to explain about Digital India. Facebook CEO Mark Zuckerberg supported to Digital India and promised to do work on Wi-Fi hotspots in rural area of India. Google committed to provide broadband connectivity on 500 railway stations. Qualcomm announced an investment of US rupees 150 million in Indian startups. Thank you. Have a beautiful day. I thank you friends for giving more information about Digital India. Next, my classmates are going to explain about Make in India.
Namaste ji. Welcome to our Make in India group. I am going to explain about Make in India. The Make in India initiative was launched by Honorable Prime Minister in 21st September 2014 as part of wider set of nation building initiatives devised to transform India into a global design and the manufacturing hub. The Make in India was a timely response to a critical situation by 2013. Thank you. Next, she will continue. Namaste ji. Make in India. Make in India is much more than an inspiring slogan. It represents a comprehensive and unprecedented overhaul of outdated process and policies. Most importantly, it represents a complete change of the government mindset, a shift from issuing authority to business partner, in keeping with Prime Minister tenet of minimum government, maximum governance. Thank you, Ji. Next, he will continue.
Namaste ji. Skill and jobs for good. Making the manufacturers and responsibilities to develop the rural and suburban areas to increase the employment and to continuous population it make a good way. By improving and supporting the startup companies, we can achieve this. Thank you. Next, we will continue. Namaste ji. The most striking indicator of progress is the unprecedented opening up of key sectors, including the railways, defense, insurance, and medical devices, to dramatically higher levels of foreign direct investment. An investor facilitated cell or IFC dedicated for the Make in India campaign was formed in September 25, 2014 with an objective to assist investors in seeking regulatory approvals, handholding services through the pre-investment phase, execution, after and cash support. Thank you. Next, my friend will continue.
Namaste ji. Various sectors have been opened up for investments like defense, railways, space, etc. Also, the regulatory policies have been relaxed to facilitate investments, ease of doing business. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Thank you, classmates, for giving more information about Make in India. Next, they will give some information about currency. Namaste ji. Hi, how are you? Fine. Have you heard about 500? Hi, how are you? Fine. Have you heard about 500 and 1000 notes are banned? Yes. Do you know why government has brought it? No. Could you explain why? Yes. Note ban to root out terrorism, black money, counterfeit note, corruption, and the country progress. Oh, really? But people are telling there is no use of it. No, that's wrong perception. Economic experts and many people welcome this move, and this move will help our country to become a good economic in the world. Oh, thanks for your information. Thank you. Have a nice day. Thank you, friends.
Yes. கொஞ்சம் பொல்யூஷன் இருக்கு சாப்பிடுறதுக்கு.
கேமரா தெரியுமா? ஆள் தெரியுமா?